In this video I'm going to show you how to install a microSD card in one of our Bullet series cameras that actually supports a microSD. So for each of these cameras they're going to have an included tool which is used to open the bottom compartment for the camera. In this particular example we're using our IPB4MZ camera. So first you're going to want to make sure that you use the tool to open the bottom compartment here. You're going to want to loosen both screws on both sides here. And this brings you to the internal compartment here. We can kind of see the lens here, and you'll also see there's a couple of different things going on the inside here. And this is the microSD card slot. That's where our microSD card is going to go. So we're going to go ahead and get our microSD card out here. Now it's important to know that the pins need to be facing down towards the board. So we're going to make sure that our pins are facing down and put our microSD card in here. And you can click it in, and you should hear an audible spring click when you click that in. And to get it out, you're going to also click it out. Well, we want to make sure that it's clicked in, and then we can replace our compartment on here. It's important to note that this compartment needs to be as tight as possible to avoid getting any rainwater whatsoever inside of here. If you don't follow my directions and you don't have this tight as possible, you're going to run into some issues when the rainwater or snow gets into this bottom compartment and ruins the camera. Just make sure that it's tight. So we get nice and tight. And tighten the other side here. There we go. Now our microSD card's installed. You can move on to our other guides about setting up SD card snapshots, SD card recording, and then also SD card playback. And it's also important to note that it's not recommended to constantly open this compartment, uninstall the SD card, and then reinstall the SD card. We recommend that you use either the web interface or use the Smart PSS software to access the camera remotely and access its SD card. That way you don't have to worry about opening the compartment, not tightening it all the way, or ruining the mechanism for the SD card. Those small mechanisms can wear out very quickly from rapid use if you're going to constantly take that SD card out and put it back in. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.